Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm turning an angle grinder into a chainless e-bike. First, remove the entire bike chain. Process and grease the gears for smoother operation. Install the bracket and grinder head to the rear axle. Securely fix the drive system in place. Equip a powerful 24 volts 500W motor. Connect the speed controller and the battery. Test the throttle and the wiring system. The bike is now ready for a test ride. Please subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks, and see you in the next video.
I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. Wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me.
Thank you for watching the video.
Say